Hello and welcome to Build with Mike. Today I'm going to start building an app for kind of for my son, but also for me because he likes to draw and he likes to basically color in the pictures. So I am going to do a VR vision app where I can take different pictures and basically use the phone to trace those pictures by looking through the phone itself. And it'll be kind of like a black and white picture that I can just trace with uh, a marker or a pen or a pencil. And then he can draw or color in the picture. So that way, if you're not good with drawing, this app really does well because you can trace along the lines and make a drawing for your kid or for yourself to paint and show how good of an artist you are. Now, I know there's a lot of apps out there already that have something similar, but all of them that I have found have ridiculous ads, and it's kind of annoying. So, I only plan on doing a little bit of ads for unlocking certain things. But for the most part, I'm going to make it so you can use a lot of different pictures. Plus, you can upload your own pictures and delete the background to make it drawable. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm doing this in Flutter this time. I'm not using React Native. I actually kind of like Flutter a lot more. So, all right, let's get started. So, I have already created Flutter Create. I downloaded Flutter Android Studio and all that's needed. And then I did Flutter Create, Flutter Puppet, and now we're going to do Flutter Run. And at the first part, it will just be a counting uh, app. Kind of like, well, if you've ever started a Flutter or program, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you haven't, you'll see in just a second. So this is the start of it. And basically you can just increment numbers. So yeah, we need to change this. Now, I know a lot more about Flutter than I do React Native, so I can change more with it. But to start, I'm just going to use ChatGPT, and I'm on the Plus version, which is like $20 a month. So, pretty affordable for everyone. All right, so I've started. Flutter project. I'm going to do all of this in real time. I'm not going to skip anything. So you're going to see how I do it step by step. The last project, I did some of it in the background. Not going to do that. I'm going to show you everything. All right, I started the Flutter project. Now let's get started. create this folder. Okay, so replace the entire lib, but we also need screens dot home. Okay. So in here we need a screen, and then what? No. Oh, you're killing me. There it is. Okay. Home.dart. All right. Awesome. Okay. So in main Dart, we need to add this. So each one of these things is a widget, as you can see right here, stateless widget. We have stateless widget, and I think it's stateful widget, if I remember correctly. I haven't used it in a while. Right now it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have a bunch of different widgets on here. Widget. Oh, maybe we'll only have two. Okay, so we have the home button widget and we have home screen widget. Okay, so now that goes right here. Stateless widget. Ah, yes, it is stateful widget. I knew it was stateful widget. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that out. Yeah, I know you're screaming at me because I don't have this just yet. Need to save that. Okay, so now I need to take that and put that in there, and then it should stop screaming at me. Why is it not? Oh, because, okay. Yeah, definitely gotta get the name of the folder right. Okay, so I messed up on that part, but that's okay. All right, so now I'm gonna have to hot refresh it, aren't I? Yep, I'm gonna have to hot refresh. Okay, that's fine. No, oh my goodness. Oh, I can't remember how to hot refresh. Ah, R. Are we just not starting again? What is going on here? Ah, okay. Draw, turn your phone into a drawing assistant. Okay. Gamma tracing. Seriously? Okay, this actually needs to be either up top or down below, so we need to fix that. Okay. Actually, I need to show it exactly how I want it because it might make it a different way. So, actually, I don't know if I want it like that though. With those design, all good, no worries. That's really tall. Good God. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so just something simple. Doesn't matter. A square is fine. Okay. Uh, Google icon. Yep. Awesome. Okay, camera. That works. PNG. Ah, there it is. Okay. That is very tiny. Okay, so camera. I guess we'll do. Well, photos. Oh. No, that one looks better. PNG. Don't really need that. There we go. Okay. Camera, photo, and upload. Just needs to be super simple. Something very easy. Yeah, that works. Nice. Okay. Let's make this blue and that black. Why not? Let's go. Okay. No, with code, you. No, stop. Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. Oh my goodness. Okay. Use this Flutter widget. In the main screen, you can use like this. Okay, so this one is main screen. This one is bottom nav bar. But do I need to change main? What's going on here? Main screen dot dart. No, it's home screen dot dart, not main screen. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll change it. It is what it is. Okay. Main screen dot dart, bottom nav bar dot dart. So main screen, we'll change to that. I didn't really want to do it that way, but oh well, it is what it is. Okay. So home screen. Yeah, no, you're freaking out on me. Okay. There we go. Okay. And now I need to do, it was widgets. I think that, yeah, widgets. Okay. Which is that one. Bottom nav bar. I don't know why that's isn't defined. Type main screen. Did I not? Ah, crap. Why is that right there? Bottom nav bar. Bottom. What? crap. Main screen. Main screen. So home screen. So yeah, I messed that one up. Okay, that's why. This one is bottom nav bar. This one is main screen. Okay, so bottom nav bar, which goes into bottom nav bar. WIDGE. Do I need to save that? Is that why it's not working? Navbar.dart. Bottom navbar. Why is it not going through? Navbar.dart. That should be okay. I don't know what's going on there. Bottom nav bar. Bottom nav bar. Why? I don't know what's going on. It should be importing it. Target URL does not exist. It does exist because it's right there. Bottom nav bar. Okay, what is going on here? Why is it not? Library bottom nav bar.com. Main screen. Oh, okay. Getting an error and I'm not sure why. What's going on here? But yeah, I got that. Okay, let's go in here and figure out what is going on. Yes, I see the problem. Home screen.dart inside. Dot slash. We'll try it. Okay. Oh yeah, that did work. Okay, what? Why is it? Whatever. It works now. All good. Son of a gun. Now what? Oh my goodness. All right, camera trace, library, and upload your own. Awesome. All right, so we've got the nav bar situation set up good. So now we just need to create something for each of these. So I'll go ahead and start with trace, and then the next video we'll do the other and another. All right. It's working, so now let's start setting up the camera widget. Okay. Alright, so home screen dart. Need to add this. And change your first page from something like this to this. Okay, so center to there with camera trace. And now that, yep, that went away. Awesome. Nope, gotta do a oh. Ah, jeez. Okay. Now, Android also check. Da, 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 da. Manifest tokens. No. DD. Android app. Android app what? Source main. Source main. Flutter clean, git run. Okay. No. Woohoo. Jeez. Okay. Flutter. Oh, jeez. Was it? Yeah, just clean. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh crap! Because I'm yeah. Ah. All right. Yeah, I'm using it, so that kind of defeats the purpose of that. Okay. Uh, Need to run on Android phone. Oh, son of a gun. Okay. Low remote. Yeah, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I need to. Okay, I'll be right back. All right. So now, hopefully this doesn't mess with anything. All right. So get that plugged in. Okay. Darn it. So probably gonna get an error. Well, this sucks. And my camera froze. Woohoo. Hello. Yep, you can hear me. You just can't see me. All right. Jesus. Okay, so gotta fix this.
Android app build Gradle kit. NDK version. May as well do it in here. And then we'll seriously. Ah, you're killing me. There we go. And now it should be on the phone. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Well, it's going through, so that's a good sign. Yay! It's on. Awesome. Yes. It's me. So we have stencil library and we have upload your own. But definitely gotta fix that because the God, what is it called? The width and height are messed up. So yeah, definitely gotta fix that. Okay. Well, let's see. Camera. No, it doesn't say anything about width or height. Initialize camera. No camera for this device. Well, it's definitely high. Padding. 24 on all. Controller value aspect ratio. Where was that at? Visualize camera. Camera controller. No. On home screen? No, that's text. Main? No. Save. Okay. I'm gonna have to go into here because I can't figure that out. It's working, but the height and width and height need to be fixed. Aspect ratio. I didn't see that though. Why did I not see that? Controller value aspect. Nah. That's why. Okay. Let's try it again. If it works, I'm gonna call it a video because I am tired. Huh? I mean, it changed it. Oh my goodness. It kind of works, but no. maybe. Yes, that's exactly how it. Okay, so this is camera. Okay. No errors. Awesome. Okay, and then this is what? Home screen dot dart. And that should be good. Yep, just like that. Okay, now we need to run it again. And hopefully it will be good this time. Oh, perfect. Nice. That works great. So now the stencil will eventually go into that, and then you can hold it with a tripod and then draw it. All right, we're getting there, but we're gonna have to figure that out next time. So we'll create a library of like 3 to start with, and then when we click on the picture in the library, it will switch to the camera, and then you'll have your stencil. And then you can draw it from looking at the camera. Well, the picture from the camera, basically. All right, I will see you all in the next video. I gotta go to bed. So, bye bye.